Match number 42, Mumbai Indians versus Punjab Kings. Two big teams, two big set of players, and especially set of bowlers. Now, how do you make your Fantasy 11 team? Don't get confused. Just stay with us to the end of this video. We will give you the complete match analysis and Fantasy 11 team prediction. Hello and welcome to another video by Cricket Tips. My name is Manthan and in this video we are going to look at the analysis between Mumbai Indians and Punjab Kings. Now ironically both of these teams are out of form, and can you believe it that in the second half of the IPL Mumbai Indians has lost all the three matches that they have played and most of their players are out of form. While Punjab Kings is at number 5 position, Mumbai Indians is at number 7 position in the points table. Now this is going to be an interesting match and an important match of course for both of these franchises. Now before we make our Dream 11 team, let us look at some important statistics. Both of these teams have faced each other 27 times, out of which Mumbai Indians has won 14 times and Punjab Kings has won 13 times. In the last 5 times when both of these teams collided, it was Mumbai Indians that won the match 2 times and Punjab Kings won the match 3 times. The odds of Punjab Kings winning this match are pretty much high given the fact that a lot of players from the Mumbai Indians team are not in good form. Now let's begin with the pitch report. So this match is going to get played in the Abu Dhabi Stadium and the average first inning score for the last 5 matches is 156. It's a balanced pitch, both good for both bowlers and batsmen. The maximum temperature at this pitch is around 35 to 36 degrees Celsius. A bit cloudy, day-night game it is, so dew factor will of course come into play and therefore we'll have to make a balanced team. Now let's talk about the wicket keepers. 2 wicket keeping options, KL Rahul and Quinton de Kock. Talking about KL Rahul, he is the orange cap contender. Like all the seasons of the IPL, he is in super terrific form, plays captain's innings, leads the team from front, and KL Rahul has in his career scored 640 runs against Mumbai Indians. Have him in your Fantasy 11 team without any doubt. Talking about Quinton de Kock, this opener for Mumbai Indians always gives a good start to the team and he has really performed well, given a good start to the team when MI played versus RCB and KKR, and therefore since other all batsmen of Mumbai Indians are not in super form, have Quinton de Kock also in your team as a wicket keeping batsman. Now talking about the batsmen, both of these teams have got some very good batsmen, and how do you make your team? Be with us, we'll tell you the right combination. Number 1, without any doubt, Rohit Sharma, the only Mumbai Indians player we could say after Quinton de Kock who is in super form. He is the second highest run scorer from Mumbai Indians against Punjab Kings, scored 423 runs. But we are going to give an option to our viewers, since both of these teams have some giants, you might not be able to accommodate Rohit Sharma, and if you do that, you might have to let go with other senior players. So instead of Rohit Sharma, you can also consider playing Suryakumar Yadav, who you might get for a comparatively lesser credits. He might not have performed very well in the second half of the IPL, but then he is an IPL player, a seasoned player, and therefore you can expect a comeback from him in this innings. The other batsman that we will suggest you is Mayank Agarwal. Of course, he failed in the last match against Sunrisers Hyderabad, but this is one of the most successful seasons for Mayank Agarwal, and therefore consider him for your Fantasy 11 team. And then the other batsman is Adam Markram. The South African batsman comes to bat at number 5, already impressed with his batting capabilities, and he could also play a role of a finisher. So consider having Adam Markram in your Fantasy 11 team. Now talking about the all-rounder, surprisingly this time around, even when Mumbai Indians is playing, but we will be able to suggest you just one all-rounder in your team, and which is Kieron Pollard. Scored 498 runs against Punjab Kings, highest by any Mumbai Indians player against this franchisee. Punjab Kings is one of his favorite teams and therefore Pollard has to be in your team. Now why are we not suggesting more all-rounders? Because of course they are not in form. Deepak Hooda from Punjab Kings is not in form, Pandya brothers are not performing well, and therefore the only all-rounder that we suggest is Kieron Pollard. And last but not the least, the bowlers. When it is Punjab Kings versus Mumbai Indians, it becomes all the more difficult to choose the right set of bowlers, because both of these teams have got some of the world's best bowlers. Now look at this interesting duo and interesting statistics. While Mumbai Indians has got this duo of Jasprit Bumrah and Trent Bolt, Punjab Kings has got Arshdeep Singh and Mohammad Shami. Now Jasprit Bumrah has in his career picked 17 wickets against Punjab Kings, and he is the highest wicket taker from Mumbai Indians. On the purple cap list, Jasprit Bumrah is at number 3 at present. And now look at the Punjab Kings bowling lineup. We have Arshdeep Singh and Mohammad Shami who are on number 5 list for the purple cap, because both of these players have picked 13 wickets each in this season of the IPL. Arshdeep Singh impressed everyone with a 5-wicket haul against Rajasthan Royals, and Trent Bolt, definitely the 4th bowler we'll suggest in your team, is very important to the team because he is very difficult to play, especially by the opening batsmen of Punjab Kings, KL Rahul and Mayank Agarwal. So these 4 players without any doubt in your fantasy 11 team. Apart from this, you could also have this young leggy Ravi Bishnoi. He was not getting an opportunity to play in the team, but then 3 wickets against Sunrisers Hyderabad impressed everyone with his bowling. Have Ravi Bishnoi in your fantasy 11 team. Now you can also have Harpreet Brar in your team instead of Ravi Bishnoi, because this left arm orthodox bowler has really impressed everyone with his bowling performance. Now if you are making your fantasy 11 team on platforms like Dream 11 or My Circle 11, and if you have to choose your captain and a vice captain, the Cricket's power player will be without any doubt KL Rahul and Quinton de Kock, 2 opening batsmen, 2 wicket keepers, 2 international names as power players for your fantasy 11 team. So that was the complete match analysis between Mumbai Indians and Punjab Kings. We hope you like this video, and if you like this video, please share it with all your friends who makes teams on Fantasy 11 platforms, and please subscribe to the Cricket channel where we bring you such cricketing content each and every day. See you again 24 hours before the match. Till then, thank you. See ya.